Good afternoon and welcome back. I think it's +3. I did see +2, so that's the one I'm going to go with, +2. Sun's out. And it's a bit windy out there too. Needed to run an errand. This morning I was like, gotta pay the storage unit. Yep. So somewhere over here, I'm almost there. See, there's that fake tree. Well, the wooden tree, and then there's the Merry Christmas right there. And now we've got the lights already. Almost there, and there's the the mini tree. Yep, put up. On top of that, you see I'm clean shaven. Finished the 88 Stanley Cup Finals. Well, you clearly figured out the result by now. I went and swept them. The actual Game 4 that was in Boston, Craig Simpson had just tied a game of 3. Actually, Boston was giving them all they can handle for that actual Game 4. Craig Simpson ties it. There's all the networks that were televising, were even radio, doing the replay, different angles of the goal. No sooner does the public address announcer start to announce the goal, power goes out. I think you might have supposedly, well, the Boston Garden inherited a rail line that went by the garden, and apparently a passing train had gone by, tripped the transformer, causing the outage, which is crazy. The Red Sox had a home game that night as well, and they're further down the road somewhere and not affected because it didn't hit. So eventually they suspended Game 4 and replayed it at the end of the series. Should it get that far? Which clearly it didn't. As we're rewatching the Hockey Guys 87-88 season recap. Yeah, he's saying he just suspended at the point of the goal and then replay it from when the goal was scored. The next day. And NHL's like, no. We're not doing that. How could you? So yeah, that'll be the only time you'll ever see a 5-game sweep. The only time. That was the finish of a wild playoffs as it was. Other champions for 1988. Super Bowl 22 was in late January of 88, and Washington beat Denver 42-10. The 88 Grey Cup, Winnipeg beat BC 22-21. Sorry, Tiffany. And the 88 World Series, the Dodgers beat the A's 4-1. That series is famously remembered for Kirk Gibson's home run that won the first game of the series. And both Vince Scully's call and Jack Buck's call probably made that home run just as memorable. If you can find them both, great. Watch them, listen to them. Yes. Colorful entertainment for 400. Yesterday's answer. In 2021, Miss Swift gave her fans Taylor's version of Fearless and this album. Question, what is red? What is red? I don't know what is red. Red's a color. Let's go get that. Colorful entertainment for 1200. Today's answer. Kurt Loder reprised his role as MTV News host in a 2023 video for this Showtime series about a high school girls soccer team. I don't know, the Varsity Blues? It's probably wrong, but that's my guess. That is my guess. It's almost time to put on MASH. Because I just watched Frasier. So yeah, that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at so far. I haven't seen anybody qualify yet because I haven't really looked today. But there should be some at some point. There will be an update later. So anyways, for now, in the meantime and in between time, stay tuned for the next one.